Hi, my name's Brook Shappie and I'm from Murrieta, California. Today I'm going to go help a needy family in my local community by giving them the mini blizzard treatment.
Wow, look at that!
Look what I've got! I've got blizzards for you.
What's your name?
I'm Brooke. I like your earrings, they're pretty.
Oh.
Yeah? No. Stand above all the time.
Oh, you're beautiful,
You're
Maggie.
beautiful. We want some teacups.
I like those are beautiful. You can sweetheart. I love wings.
Was that good, you guys?
Uh-huh.
But guess what? With Dairy Queen, good's just not good enough, right? How would you guys like to go to a family fun center and ride go-karts and teacups? And go on rides?
Yeah.
Let's go outside. It looks like the daisies.
The mini blizzard treatment. Did you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I gotta go, but I'm fun meeting you guys. You guys get to stay and golf. Bye, guys.
What do you say, guys?
Bye.
Bye, guys.
I'm gonna miss you.
I'm gonna miss you too.